I continue at Laser World of Photonics seeing very innovative stuff. I'm here with Pasquale Maglie, who is the CEO of TECprocess, a company from Switzerland in the business of developing workstations for surface structuring, engraving, and any micromachining process with femtosecond lasers. Pasquale, thank you very much for having me. You brought something very exciting to the show. What is it?
Yes, so this is our machine Excellent, dedicated to micromachining any metal with femtosecond lasers, and our biggest innovation is the Revolver. The Revolver is the unique tool changer system for laser machining. It means that without moving the workpiece, you can combine different machining optics and metrology systems in a very compact and flexible workstation for femtosecond laser machining.
What I can see here as well is that you have a moving stage while you keep the Revolver fixed in one axis. Why is that?
We use the XY stage to be able to work on trays. So it means that we can place different parts on the XY stage, and then we move every single part under the optics. And once the part is fixed, then it's the Revolver acting as a system to combine all the different processes. And once the part is finished, we move to the next part. And what we see here is that we can combine also with a rotating stage to machine cylindrical parts with the same concept using Revolver. And we can start with roughing operation, then we measure, and then depending on the measurements, we do the finishing without moving the part, so we don't lose any precision in the process. That's our unique system.
What I can see here first that you have applied many different laser heads and imaging systems without damaging the part. What are the main applications that require this treatment?
Well, it's parts which are very delicate, which you cannot damage anymore. So once the part is on the machine, you don't touch it anymore. So imagine parts in the watchmaking industry, the jewelry, the medical, where you need to measure exactly
Pasquale, show
what
us
you
samples.
do.
I want to see samples. Show us samples.
Here you see different samples in materials like ceramics, like tungsten carbide, like steel or messing. And it's all done with the same laser source. And we combine the possibilities of the Revolver to machine every single one of these parts.
So what are the main unique selling points? What are the main applications of the Revolver?
The application is that you can machine a complete part from raw part to finish without touching anymore. You put the part in the machine, and when you take it out, it's finished, it's controlled, and you can deliver it.
This was very exciting to see the Revolver live. Let's answer the optical question, Pasquale. What can you do for others? What can others do for you?
Well, as machine integrator, we're always looking for the best components to put on our machines. Laser source, optical components, scan heads, stages, measuring systems. All the opportunities are open to be in our machine. And what we can do for others is that we supply, of course, the complete solution as a workstation. We can also do samples, prototypes, small batch workshops. What is missing is just your ideas, your inputs, and probably we can do them. Just challenge us.
Bring your samples to the booth of TECprocess CH and understand how we can use the Revolver.